There's the castle, Warwick Castle, and of course there's an ice rink, so here is the ice rink. There it all is, everybody going round. And the market is over there with all the little booths selling drinks and what have you. But this is Warwick in Warwickshire, United Kingdom, watching people go round at the ice rink. But thank you for watching, liking, sharing and all that jazz. And don't forget, if you do subscribe, you're going to make an old man quite happy. That must be great, mustn't it? Thank you for subscribing if you already have, because that's wonderful and greatly appreciated. So bye for now. Thank you for watching.